That is the way they deliver raw materials. Raw materials like flour, seeds, anything that is bulk. So it comes in these rail containers, and you use hoses and pumps to evacuate or suck the material from the containers, rail containers, to the silos. That is called raw material or raw goods delivery. When the materials are complete or processed goods, they deliver them in a different way. And they go in this warehouse from this side or the other side. You can see the rail goes away all the way to the end. And from the side of the rail, a forklift will unload the rail containers into the building. This is called processed and complete goods. But there are another kind of goods that arrive in the trucks, containers, like that you see in front of me. Those containers or trailers, they deliver and bring either raw material or raw goods or processed goods. That is how you serve a warehouse, a processing factory. The processing factory try to have a combination of very fast delivery by trucks. It comes from all over America, from the villages, from the rural areas, and also they depend on the rails. The rails are very slow, but they are cheap, and they bring enormous volume of goods. This is Nestle or Springville, Utah. That is northern Utah, at exit 261 I-15.